Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy, dairy-free and sugar-free carrot milkshake recipe. A perfect energy-boosting healthy drink for kids as well as for adults. So let's get started with the recipe. To make a dairy-free carrot milkshake, I have already soaked overnight 10 almonds which I have peeled. 10 cashew nuts which I have been soaking for about 5 to 10 minutes. Half cup grated carrot. For sweetness I'm adding in 1 soft medjool dates, and for flavor I'll be adding in seeds of 2 cardamoms and 1 cup of water. So these are the ingredients to make this healthy, quick and easy carrot milkshake. Into my blender jar I'm adding in the half cup of grated carrot, 10 overnight soaked and peeled almonds, the soaked cashew nuts, 1 soft medjool dates for added sweetness. Instead of medjool dates, you can use date syrup, kakwi, or even a teaspoon of jaggery powder. Medjool dates are really soft, hence it's easily blendable. However, if your date is not soft like mine, you may need to soak the date for about 10 minutes along with the cashew nuts and then add it into the blender jar. Add in the seed of the cardamom. Fresh cardamom gives an amazing flavor to the milkshake, so try not to skip it. Add in 1 cup of water and blend this really well until everything is nicely mixed and combined well. Pour the blended carrot milkshake into a serving glass. This is an excellent quick energy drink, especially as an after school drink for kids. To garnish, I'm sprinkling in some pistachios, finely chopped pistachios, some sliced almonds, and my super healthy carrot milkshake is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy carrot milkshake and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.